friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another monthly highlight spread, this time for the month that is just ending, August 2020. I used this monthly kit from Planner Me on Etsy, and at the beginning I just went in and marked in a couple of birthdays and some recurring events like paying our mortgage on the first of the month. And the stickies that you see are used as placeholders for work events. I'm marking my payday coming up at the end of the month on the 31st using some leftovers from a Netty Designs monthly that I used in July. The happy birthday scripts that I used are from Murdoch Talks, and the pen that I'm using is the Pilot G2 in .38. The sticker that I used to mark paying our mortgage on the 1st is by Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. This day I also pulled in a freebie half box from Scribble Points Co. to mark that we got our new AC unit installed on the 1st of August, which was very exciting and long awaited. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that we went almost the whole summer without a functioning AC, over 2 months, and we finally got it fixed on the 1st of this month. I took a box from the Planner Me kit and cut it in half to span over 2 days. The 6th was the Coffee Monsters Co. Helen's birthday, so I used a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji holding some balloons and a happy birthday script from Kinsey's Creations in silver to mark that. All of my scripts and icons for this spread will be in silver. I used a silver Instagram icon from Harriet Wright Designs to mark posting about my back to school YouTube upload schedule on Instagram. I also used a teacher icon from the Fox and Pip to mark that. The next day I marked family time with a script from Letters to Apollo, I believe, to mark spending time with my mom that day. The Mother's Day teenie is from Glam Planner. On the 2nd, we had a lazy day. This is just the little teddy icons from the ones from Once More with Love freebies. The lazy day script is from Letters to Apollo. The following day I put down an old scribbler to mark registering for fitness classes through my school district. I also used an Apple Watch icon from Crafts by Towie to mark that. And then I pulled in a leftover strip as well as a pink dot from Shop Jessica Hearts to mark meal prepping, cooking. That cook script is from Sticky Essentials, and the food icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I pulled in a leftover glitter header from the kit with a flat tire emoji and a waiting emoji to mark getting a flat tire fixed on my car this day. Then flipping over to the other side of the month, I'm going in and putting in another strip and green dot left over from Shop Jessica Hearts to mark my therapy appointment on the 26th. The appointment script and therapy icon are from Franny Lamb Stickers on Etsy. That Instagram post script is from Kidsy's Creations, I believe. The same day as our lazy day, I marked Netflix binge. That sticker came from a freebie from an NMH Creations order. That sadness icon is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I used a girl sticker from the Fox and Pip, a call script from Scribble Prints Co., and a phone icon from Murdoch Talks to mark a phone call with my best friend. I marked some car repairs with a car from Franny Lamb Stickers. That lazy day girl is from Glam Planner. I marked decluttering with a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji and a script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark decluttering one of our closets. The 17th was our first official day back at work, so I marked that with a script from Scribble Prints Co. and a working girl from the Fox and Pip. I marked a doctor's appointment that I had with a script from Letters to Apollo and a stethoscope icon from Mama Gloria's shop. I also had some other work days. I marked that in with that fall books icon from Shop Jessica Hearts. I pulled in a sticker off of the Stay at Home sampler from Once More with Love, as well as a planning time script from Scribble Prints Co. to mark an extensive planning session. And on the 23rd, I marked editing with a script from Kidsy's Creations and a munchkin from Once More with Love. On the 27th, I marked lots of lesson planning with the Coffee Monsters Co. emoji on the computer and lesson planning scripts from Harriet Wright Designs. That cake with the candle sticker is from Franny Lamb Stickers, and the baby is by Glam Planner. On the weekend that week, I marked going for a walk in the park with a plant icon from Once More with Love, from that same Stay at Home sampler. And that Rainy Day Kisma is from Glam Planner. The In My Feelings script is from Scribble Prints Co. And the Zoom script is from Murdoch Talks. The little payday emoji is from the Coffee Monsters Co. The script is from Murdoch Talks, and the little $ icon is a leftover from Shop Jessica Hearts. But I actually pulled that up and I will use it in my weekly spread instead. Here is our final wiggle. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much if you've stuck around. Thank you for subscribing, commenting, all that stuff. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.